I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, I've got like 10 or more of these type of notebooks laying around my house in my shop, and almost every page in here has got a line drawn on it because one of my grandkids have used it for a coloring book. No matter what I've done, I wrote on here Grandpa's book, no babies, yet they still color in it. So I'm going to make myself a personal journal and make it well known. No one's allowed to touch it. And to make it, I'm going to use this text block I've created. A book I got out of a donation bin. I'm just going to cut the text block out of it and replace it. Okay, and then I'm going to use this crappy vinyl I've got left over and cover this book with it so it'll be a leather-bound journal. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is use this construction paper on the text block. This will be the page that I glue here to hold the text block into the book. Okay, now we'll set this aside in the book press. Okay, now it's time to take this text block out of this book. I don't want to destroy it completely. I might actually read this. Not a bad book, really. Okay, the text block I've made is actually much smaller than the book itself, the cover, so I'll have to cut it down about 1/4 of an inch on two edges all the way around. So I'll just mark that out and cut it by hand. Okay, so our cover didn't turn out pretty, but it doesn't really matter because it's going to be covered with the fake leather anyway. Text block fits in here really nice, so that's all that matters. It fits in here well. Now we'll glue this in place and throw it in the book press for a few hours. Okay, it's been an hour or so, take this out of the book press. Okay, that works pretty good. Opens nice. That's fine. I think that's going to work. So now all I need to do is take this fake vinyl and make myself a cover. Okay, I've taken my fake leather and I squared up this edge and this edge. So now I'm going to lay my book on here. Now I want about 1/4 of an inch overlap, maybe a little even less. So I'm just going to lay the book out here like this. I think that looks good. then mark it on this edge. Okay, I decided to go for broke and just put the book in the book press. I've got both covers glued in place. Hopefully it'll work. If not, we'll just peel it off and try again. Okay, let's take it out of the book press, see how she looks. Okay, there we go. So now we'll trim off the existing covers and then we'll trim down the new covers. Okay, and now we'll trim the inside covers. Okay, as I'm looking at this, I'm already liking this so much better. The leather goes all the way back to the back of the binding. It makes it look so much nicer. It's going to finish up so much better. So I'm just going to glue these pieces in place and put it back in the book press. Things looking pretty good. I see the glue used is a little tacky, but it's still good. So now what I need to do is punch the holes and sew up these edges all the way around the book on both covers. And I'll be doing a saddle stitch to do that with a single needle. So let's get the holes done first. Okay, I've got the book laid out here. Got the one cover propped open so it's out of the way. I've got a piece of cardboard in between the two pieces of full leather so that I can use my ruler to mark the spacing and my scratch awl to start making the holes. So let's start making the holes. Okay, I decided to use the bookbinding thread to sew it rather than the twine I bought. I didn't like the colors or the thickness of it. So I'll start my saddle stitch from the inside and work my way around. Okay, so here it is after I've sewed it all up. Got the cover sewed all the way around on both sides. I think I like it. Got some definition character on the back here. That's pretty good. And then I got 300 some pages to doodle on or draw or make notes in. So, well, thanks for watching.